So XRP is sitting at $2.4 right now, as you can see, and yesterday it was sitting closer to the support we had for 2.2. Of course it went and it conquered 2.2, and now of course our resistance is 2.6. Now XRP, if you look at it, yesterday when it dropped towards 1.9, because I told you that $2 wouldn't hold, it wouldn't matter, it started pumping crazily because of the news of their stablecoin called RLUSD. That really helped, and today the other thing that has helped XRP is, or hopefully will help and push this thing again towards the resistance of 2.6, is the CPI news. CPI news came out, it was in favor of the market. So everything in the market right now is pumping because of it, because it is something that we anticipated to be good and it turned out to be good. So it is working out very well. But the thing is, we are seeing a cup and handle on XRP as well. So that's another positive structure we are seeing here. It's not the best, but it is there. We could have had a head and shoulder inverted one if there was a shoulder here. That would have been actually way better, because then we would have used a massive movement. But still, there is hope, which means that I can give you a short-term target and I can give you a way closer support area. It will be a mini support area just because of the structure. Of course, our reliable area is still 2.2, but I can offer you one at 2.4 here. As long as XRP holds 2.4, you should expect it to shoot towards 2.6, because that's the deliverance, the minimum deliverance on this cup and handle structure that we are seeing here. But for that, it needs to hold 2.4. If it is not able to hold 2.4, and you're looking for an indication, or by the time you're watching this video it's already below 2.4, then see that the maximum allowed drop is 2.3. But to be very frank with you, if it goes below 2.4, I wouldn't bother with 2.3. I'll just see what the hell happens at 2.2, because that's the support area I'm concerned about. The moment XRP loses 2.2 this time, then we are going to see 1.8 and lower areas, and it wouldn't stop at 1.9. It's going to start bleeding dramatically this time. But for that, we need to lose 2.2. As long as XRP doesn't lose 2.2, the overall case scenario of XRP stays intact. And if you are looking at it from long-term perspective, what can happen if we just talk about the positive side of it? Well, this was our double top, right? Now there is a double bottom in the making, and as always, if it's double top, that tells us about the bearish stuff, or the double bottom that talks about the positive side of things. We always wait for the break of neckline, and when I say the break of neckline, in this case scenario, fortunately, it is at 2.6. This is one bottom. This is second one in the making. After XRP breaks 2.6, which is our resistance anyway, so we will be on an upward journey 100% for $3 based on the double bottom structure that we are seeing right now in the cooking. But if it is not able to break above 2.6, yes, it would have created a double bottom, but a double bottom of today can become a double top of tomorrow. In this case, it will be a triple top. So it will be one top, second top, and then if this again starts turning down, it will be a triple top, which is again a bearish structure. So the break of neckline is always important. Otherwise, it can just turn around and head into a different direction, which means that if something doesn't break the neckline and doesn't start delivering on it, then that indicates that if it is a double top, bearish, it can turn into a double bottom, and if it's a double bottom, it can turn into a double top. That is a pain in the ass, but the thing is, we always wait for the confirmation for that purposes, and that's just based on the basis of structure. If we just ignore structure, we are waiting for 2.6 anyway, and after we break 2.6, which is the resistance, then our next target is $3, and of course at that time we will be hoping that 2.6 holds. So even if we completely ignore these structures and don't care about the necklines, still on the basis of support and resistance, those are the areas. So this just helps us further with our story, and it doesn't make things worse, or it doesn't make our decision making diluted. It just supports our decision that we are waiting for 2.6, and that is the neckline of double bottom as well. So if we don't see double bottom, who cares? That's the area we are aiming for anyway. And that's pretty much it with XRP. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.